iPhone 7 long-range Wi-Fi antenna replacement guide. The tools we're going to need are a proprietary Pentalobe screwdriver, a Phillips head 00 or a 000 screwdriver, a Y-tip 00 or 000 screwdriver, a suction cup for pulling the screen apart, as well as a plastic pick for prying the screen apart, a metallic prying tool for removing the adhesive that waterproofs the phone around the contour of the screen, and a plastic spudger for pulling the connections apart. Make sure to turn off the iPhone before we begin. Now place the suction cup right above the home button. The screen will need to be slid down first and then flipped open like a book. We'll close it like a book and slide it back in when we're done. Locate the two Pentalobe screws near the charging port that are holding the LCD to the phone chassis and go ahead and remove the two screws. Now insert your index finger into the suction cup and pinch the sides of your phone with your middle finger and your thumb. Then gently tug on your index finger. This will create a small crack. Now a little to the left of the home button, go ahead and slide in the plastic pick and start prying it apart. You might have some adhesive, waterproof adhesive, that makes it difficult to separate. Go ahead and use the metallic prying tool to separate the adhesive. In combination with the plastic tool, go ahead and start prying the LCD away from the phone. Once you get it going, go ahead and slide it down first and then open it up just like a book. And that's it. We're in. The long-range Wi-Fi antenna is located in the top left corner and is secured with 4 Phillips head screws, 3 clearly visible, and this 4th one you have to tilt the phone up to see. Go ahead and remove that Phillips head screw at an angle. Now you can go ahead and remove the 3 Phillips head screws that are clearly visible that are securing the Wi-Fi antenna. You can now go ahead and lift up the antenna. Here's what it looks like up close. Reassembly. Go ahead and place the long-range Wi-Fi antenna into its position. Go ahead and secure the 3 Phillips head screws first, and then go ahead and tilt up the phone and secure that 4th screw, the one that's kind of difficult to get to. Okay, we're now ready to clamp up the phone. Go ahead and fold it and begin by tucking in the top latches in first. Once those are locked in, we can go ahead and go gently around the contour of the phone, pushing it in and finishing up the clamp. If you feel any resistance, make sure to reseat the screen. Now go around the contour, make sure that it's a nice and solid lock and there are no gaps in between. Now go ahead and place the 2 Pentalobe screws into their sockets and just place them in first, align them, and then secure them with the Pentalobe screwdriver. With the Pentalobe screws secure, go ahead and power on and test the phone. This concludes this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Hit like and subscribe and check out more awesome videos at appledollars.com.